This is Caitlin. Caitlin works at the Bank of Mom. Her son Owen had been saving his allowance in his piggy bank and has decided he wants to open a bank account at the Bank of Mom. The main reason for this is to keep it safe from his cheeky sisters, and he would also like to be able to track how and when he spends his money using transaction receipts and bank statements.
Hi Owen, I'm so excited that you want to open a bank account at the Bank of Mom. How much money would you like to deposit into your bank account today?
I have $58 I want to deposit.
Okay, great. I'm going to give you this. It's a bank receipt which shows that you deposited $58 and you have a balance of $58 in your account now. You can either come and do cash withdrawals from your account if you want to buy things, or you can use your new Bank of Mom debit card to make purchases. Either way, you cannot spend more than the $58 that you have in your account. If you earn more allowance and you want to bring it in to deposit it later, you can do that, which will increase your account balance, which means to make it higher. Something else important that you do need to remember is that I'm going to charge you $2 every month to keep your money safe at the Bank of Mom. Okay?
A few days later, Owen took his Bank of Mom debit card and went to do some shopping with his dad. He made purchases at Walmart for $10, at SportCheck for $18 and at McDonald's for $7. He kept the receipts for the first two purchases, but not the last one. When he came into the Bank of Mom at the end of the month to reconcile his account, he was surprised that his balance was only $21 because his financial statements showed he had $30 remaining.
Why?
As they confirmed each transaction, he recalled that he did not have the receipt for the $7 purchase at McDonald's. And on top of that, he had forgotten about the $2 service fee from the bank, which he had not accounted for in his own recordings. Thankfully, they were able to reconcile his remaining balance with all of the transactions that had occurred in the past month. The next month, Owen visited Caitlin at the Bank of Mom again. In the last month, he had made a purchase at the toy store for $12 and at Tim Hortons for $5. He had also received a check in the mail for $20 from his grandma for his birthday that had not yet been deposited. His records showed a remaining balance of $22, however his bank statement only showed a balance of $2 remaining.
Why? But my grandma gave me a $20 check.
The difference in our account balances, Owen, is because you're accounting for the $20 in your balance, but you haven't actually deposited it yet into the account. I can do that for you now if you'd like. Now that that $20 has been deposited, our balances are reconciled.
Each month, Owen learned more about his financial statements and accounting processes and was grateful for the external control that the Bank of Mom provides, along with the safety of keeping his money in a bank account rather than in his piggy bank at home. Well done, Owen.